We're here in the Highway Patrol Group. This is Samngao Highway Police Service Area. So bakit nandito kami? May
Because you were caught going 129.
Yeah, so
God.
imagine ito, I just paid a fine of 500 baht. Mali yung pangalan nilagay dito. So hindi ako to. Mali spelling. So the speed limit is 120. Umabot ako ng 127 daw. So sumobra ng 7 kilometers per hour. But this highway, no? Highway, sumobra ng 7. Sabi niya, kahit na kung 121 daw, 122, it could be okay. But sumobra ako ng 9, na? So in my 30 years of driving sa Philippines, the instance that I was fined was in Davao City. No, because
Many
I
times. This is the only time he
Davao
was
City
caught. But
sa abroad.
he
So I
violated
paid,
the laws.
sayang na yung pera ko. This guy is also fine, no? Yung kalalabas, no? So
Ay, naku, this guy.
do you
Such a
congratulate me for
Congratulations
Naku.
for violating the law.
Hindi na ako dito makaalis.
Ay, naku, tinali sa
Ano?
tayo. Yeah. You're
So,
caught videoing.
Yung katago-tago ko na tago-tago ko na 1,000 baht na gastusan tuloy. No, so okay naman. Bilib ako sa mga pulis na dito. Thai police very courteous. No, they have their own body cam, no? The Thai police, they have their own body cam. So to prevent yung corruption. Okay, so congratulations to me. So dahan-dahan na tayo ngayon.
Ay, naku.
But we have still a long way to go.